Alright, here we go. This is not going to be a review. This is just a quick look at this lever gun from Browning. This is the BLR Lightweight 81. This one's in 7mm rod 8. Came across one website saying discontinued. That might have been the caliber. Because these, from what I've seen, these are really still, you can find them. And actually, the site that I'm on right now from Browning doesn't say discontinued. And I'm going to give y'all a quick rundown. Yes, I'm going to read so I can do this kind of swiftly instead of boom, 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 up and down. This one in particular has a 20-inch barrel, 40 inches over length. Its weight is 6 pounds, 8 ounces, 4-round detachable magazine. Twist rate on this one is 1 and 9.5. It's got the barrel sporter contour, barrel material steel, walnut stock. This is the green I like. That's pretty much the nuts and bolts to it. Just other calibers that they offer this in is 22-250, 222, 223, 243, 6.5 Creedmoor, 270, 270 Win short mag, 30-06, 300 Win mag, 300 Winchester short mag, 308, 358, 450 Marlin, 7mm mag, of course the 7mm rod 8, 7mm short mag, and a 325 short mag. So you have a barrage of calibers that you can get this mighty fine looking lever gun in. Now what is so cool about these, you might ask? It's a takedown. So you can go backpacking with it. You're going hunting, you can take it hunting backpack. And it is drilled and tapped, so you can have your standard scope on the back, or if you got your long eye relief, it's also up here on the front. So here, or if you want to do your guided rifle, whatever they call them. It's a nice action on it. Very clean, big bolts. Safety is your finger with the combination of the hammer. It's ready to fire. Safety is on. Ready to fire. Safety is on. That's it. And detachable mags up there. So there you go. This is just a quick look at a pretty cool rifle.